Have you ever experienced this? You open your eyes and it's already 8 a.m. You rush to work, get caught up in a storm of emails and meetings, and then end up scrolling through your phone until midnight? A day passes in the blink of an eye, and you ask yourself, where did my time actually go? 2,000 years ago, the wealthiest and most powerful philosopher of the Roman Empire, Seneca, wrote his very first letter to his friend Lucilius. He didn't teach him how to make money, nor did he teach him how to acquire fame. That first letter focused on a single urgent warning. You are the victim of the greatest heist in human history, the theft of your own life's time. Welcome to Episode 1 of our series Decoding Seneca's 10 Golden Letters, the mental operating system for modern youth. Let's pause for a few minutes to learn how to reclaim the years currently being stolen from us. In his first letter, Seneca wrote, "Gather and save your time. Part of our time is snatched from us. Part is gently stolen, and the rest simply slips away." Seneca broke down the loss of time into 3 categories that perfectly align with modern psychology. First, time is snatched by external forces, pointless meetings and social invitations you don't dare decline because of your fear of displeasing others. Second, time is stolen subtly, through constant phone notifications and mindless short videos that quietly drain your attention without you even realizing it. And third, time simply slips away. When you sit there procrastinating on tasks that truly matter due to a fear of failure. Do you often tell yourself, "I'll start learning after New Year's. I'll spend time with my family once I get that promotion." Or, "I will truly start living when I have enough money"? Seneca called this human stupidity at its finest. He wrote, "Our greatest mistake is thinking that death lies in the future. Most of death has already passed. Whatever years are behind us are already in death's hands." Modern psychology confirms this. We don't procrastinate because we are lazy, but because we want to avoid the immediate negative emotions like anxiety or self-doubt associated with a challenging task. But Stoic philosophy warns us, by postponing action to seek temporary emotional comfort, you are paying a far heavier price. You are missing out on your actual life while dwelling in an imaginary, uncertain future. Researcher Robert Greene introduced a powerful concept derived from Stoic philosophy, alive time versus dead time. Dead time is when you are passive, waiting for life to happen to you. You complain about traffic, get furious over a flight delay, and let negative emotions dictate your day. Conversely, alive time is when you seize control. Even in the worst circumstances, you utilize every second to learn, reflect, or cultivate your soul. Stoics don't have more hours in a day than you do. They simply turn every passing second into alive time. To close his first letter, Seneca advises you to be a thrifty bookkeeper of your own life. Don't let your days slip away like water through your fingers. Your actionable takeaway for today: practice the Seneca audit. Every night before bed, write down, how many hours did I spend in alive time, deep work, learning, genuine connection, and how many hours were stolen by dead time, anxiety, mindless scrolling. Then rate the quality of your day on a scale of 0 to 10. Emotional resilience begins with the courage to face your own reality. Time is the only resource you can never buy back. Start mastering it today. In Episode 2, we will break down Seneca's invaluable letter on how to conquer noise and distraction in the digital age. If you don't want to miss this training journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now. See you in Episode 2.